In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact record in HubSpot CRM. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a quick refresher on this essential feature, this guide has you covered. Let's begin by heading over to the HubSpot website. Open your preferred browser and type HubSpot.com into the address bar. This will take you to HubSpot's homepage, a powerful platform designed to help you manage customer relationships and grow your business. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on it and enter your HubSpot credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you may want to sign up so you can follow along and take full advantage of the CRM features. After logging in, you'll be taken to the HubSpot home dashboard where all tools and features are accessible. From here, look for the CRM option in the main menu. Click on it and you'll be directed to the section where you can manage your customer information. Inside the CRM, navigate to the Contacts section. This is where all your existing contacts are stored. To add a new contact record, look for the Create Contact button. It's usually highlighted to make it easy to find. Click on it to open a form where you can enter the new contact's details. A window will appear prompting you to fill in information such as the contact's first and last name, email address, company, and any additional custom fields your organization may have set up. Take a moment to fill out these fields carefully. Accurate information helps keep your CRM clean and effective. Once everything is filled out, click the Create button at the top or bottom of the form. This will save the contact and add it to your database. And that's it. You've successfully created a contact record in HubSpot CRM. Keeping your contacts organized is key to improving your outreach efforts and maintaining strong customer relationships. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorials to get even more value out of HubSpot. Happy HubSpotting!